Hi guys. So this is me about to install this my adorable stress-free client wedding cake. I've actually installed the cake already. Then I recall that there is one important thing I did not do, which I like doing it to my cake, and that's inserting my dowel into the cake. So I had to bring down the cake again, insert the dowel rod before I continue stacking the cake. So here it is. This is what I mean, guys. This is very important when you're stacking tall cakes. You have to insert a rod that holds all of them. Other than the other shorter ones I insert in the cake already, I always like to insert this particular one. This way the cake is never going to fall off. I can insert one or two depending on the weight of the cake.
They say I've checked.
I myself, I don't know the place. Speedy, let's go.
Right.
Let's go. You getting this?
Yeah.
Oh, I just hope this thing passes through the dummy. Yay! Is it fixed?
Yeah.
Going! So I got this! Stay there! Is it okay? Does it look balanced?
Yes,
Right,
please.
okay.
Wow.
Check for me when I finish.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So good.
Yep. Super.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Someone should not come close to this table. Did you
Ooh.
see that? No one come close to this. Okay. Just to give it a balance, I need to do something. So this is the something I needed to do. I had to get skewers and insert behind the heart-shaped cake to prevent it from falling off, because at this point the dowel rod I insert into the cake earlier did not come up to the point that it can hold onto this heart cake. I had to insert as much skewers as possible to prevent the cake from falling behind. You know, this particular cake now, the heart is just a rectangular shape. It doesn't really have balance. Triples Cake, I'm using this medium to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for creating this beautiful masterpiece, which my clients choose a sample for me to recreate. I can't hurt you, Lace. You've always been my role model, and I so appreciate you in this baking world. If you like my work, remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for me on my YouTube channel at La Bella World. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok as Queen Bella World, and on Instagram as Queen Bella. So these are my young, adorable couple. After cutting their cake, look at them so happy and expressing their love here. They were so grateful and appreciative of my work, and that gives me job satisfaction, other than the fact that they are so stress free. So these are my young apprentices holding their plates. Oh, guess what they are waiting for with those plates in their hands? Guess, guess, guess. Oh, look at the guests that turned up for this adorable couple. Like, this was a very successful wedding that anyone would ever want to have. So organized and unique. See you in more of my videos. Bye bye.